What's up guys, it's Wolf Bites here, and today I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the EVGA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti that my good friend Seabass here has today in his system. So pretty much we're just going to be unboxing this, and we're going to be installing it in his PC. And for the actual VRAM or memory, it has 4 gigabytes. A lot of the GTX 1050 Ti's do. I'm pretty sure all of them have 4 gigabytes. And it's kind of comparable to the 1060 3 gigabytes if you want to compare it to that. But yeah, we're going to be unboxing it today, and we're going to be installing it in the system, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so here we go with the unboxing. I got my trusty saber tooth to help me out. So let's see what we got in the box itself. Packaging is pretty nice. On the back it just says some key features. The front just tells you what it is, side nothing, and this side nothing. So pretty much we got so this is the actual graphics card. We got the GPU out, so this is pretty much what it is. Has no backplate, because I mean it's a 1050 Ti, not really gonna have a backplate, I don't think. Grace mount has a nice fan, comes with the plastic on it. It has a DVI-D, it has a HDMI port and a display port, I believe. I can get it out. Yeah, display port, HDMI, and DVI-D. Pretty good. Let's get this wrap off. Alright, so that's pretty much it, guys. When you have it in the computer, it's going to say GeForce GTX 1050 Ti right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now we're going to install it into the system. Oh, also guys, it comes with a graphics card user guide. And this is just another installation thing. Yeah. How to use it. And it comes with an installation disc for the drivers. We don't really need that. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. No posters, which kind of sucks, but whatever.
Okay guys, so the 1050 Ti is actually a really good card for 1080p gaming. You're going to be maxing out, or not maxing out, but you're going to be running games at high settings or medium settings depending on which game, but you're going to be running most games very nicely and smoothly with the 1050 Ti, assuming you have a decent system. And I recommend this card to a lot of people in a tight budget, because right now the 1060 is actually not very good in price because of the crypto mining situation. So this card is going to be very good for people who have a budget. Also guys, you guys are going to see towards the end of the video, this card actually does not have a PCI power connector, so it just runs straight off the motherboard's power. So in case you guys do have this card and you guys get confused when installing it, it just doesn't have a PCI power connector.
Alright guys, so now to plug this bad boy in, we are going to just simply place it. So we gotta make sure that the little brackets on the side are out. Alright, there we go, guys. We finally got it in. That is what she said. Or that's pretty much it. Alright guys, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please be sure to leave a like down below if you did enjoy and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you guys in the next one.